Yeah, we the bloopers.
Yeah, we gonna be doing the
slipping with a bathtub full of soap challenge.
See. Yeah, we already have some soap ready. So me and Sarah are gonna get into the bathtub
without dying.
Yeah, okay, we're gonna
cheese down right here. I can't get in.
See, we have the soap.
Can you hold my?
Yes, sure.
Jeez Louise.
Sarah's having a hard time getting in the tub. Yeah, baby. Woohoo!
Okay.
So
I'm in.
So make sure you go to our website where we post our videos too and sign our guest book.
It's the bloopers. TheBloopers.webstarts webstrats.com.
I think they know how to spell com. Okay,
and go to our YouTube channel, Sarah G. We have like 6 videos.
Yeah, there is a duplicate of one of them though, but that's okay.
It's the yogurt challenge.
Whatever. Okay, so we are going to use Avon soap, and it is banana and coconut milk. So what we're going to do is, Sarah, watch out.
Oh, don't get it in my hair, please.
Oh, it's soap. So
can you move mine?
We're going to do that. We squirt it on the ground, shut it, okay. So and then we need to stay on for probably about how long?
Say a minute.
Well, we'll stay on for a couple of minutes, and whoa. So you can watch our feet, I guess. Okay, I'm afraid. I don't want my iPod to fall.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm not doing that.
Okay, well, you can just watch our feet. Wow!
I don't want to hold my phone just in case. So I'm just going to stop recording on mine.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
That feels so funny.
And it feels really funny on your feet.
I like the outside.
See. So I don't know how long we're supposed to do this for. But if we slip and fall, then I guess...
that's when we'll stop.
Yeah, but we'll just stop in a couple of minutes anyway.
If that doesn't happen.
Whoa.
You're going everywhere, man.
Well, I almost turned the shower on. That's not good, yo. Whoa.
No, because we would have been soaked.
Oh, no, and then my iPod would have been broken.
And then no more video.
Yeah. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, Sarah, talk to the camera.
Hi, guys. My feet feel really...
Whoa. I just tripped on the...
Maybe we should stop the video.
Okay, well, we're going to go now because we've almost hurt ourselves a lot of times now.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye, toodles.
We out.